Okay, right, we continue. Okay, once we have identified that the current practices is having some issues, having symptoms. Symptoms here means that perhaps customer queue for a long time, okay, to pay, or the management, okay, or the owner cannot cannot verify whether the sales, okay, they perform every day is tally with the cash collection. Okay, those are the symptoms. And so there are many other symptoms. Okay, for example, sales are high, but the cash that they receive is very low or not tally, at least not tally. Okay, they purchase from supplier, supplier charge, but when checked with the physical items in the store or in the shops, it seems like they are not enough or they are short. Okay, so those are the symptoms, right? So from the symptom you can further investigate why the symptom happen, why it is taking place. Okay, so by conducting some investigation you are able to identify what actually the problems is. Okay, so once you have identified that it is having problems, it has issues related to not performing up to the standard as required by users. Users here referred to the owner of the entity. Entity here refers to whether shop, whether restaurant, whether association, whether any social entity. Okay, for example, mosque. If you're joining a club or any sports association, okay, you have to manage the assets, you have to manage the cash, you have to manage the resources of that entity. So it needs system, it needs procedures. Okay, so you have to check the procedure and analyze whether the procedure is still relevant with the current situation, or it is somehow outdated or obsolete. So you have to suggest for a better one. Okay, right? So when we talk about a better one, it will involve system development. Okay, right? So when we want to develop something, it has to follow a step-by-step procedure. Okay, there are step-by-step. You have to start with number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. Okay, it is a model that we will learn when it comes to that particular topic. Okay, system analysis is about finding out on what actually these you can sense the symptom, but we're going to find out what actually the problems are. Okay, so to identify that, we have to conduct analysis, we have to conduct survey, we have to interact with people, okay, the owner of the shop, the workers, we have to interact with the customer. Okay, they will tell you many things, many things. So you have to listen to whatever they want to say. Listen, and then you come back, sit down, and then discuss what actually they're telling you, right? You're not making decision based on whatever your views. So you're asking the users, you're asking the owner, you're asking the workers, okay, the staff. They will tell you so many things. Okay, you're going to sit down and look back and discuss what actually the problems are. Right, continue with the next video.